Hey, Miss Phil here, and today we are going to learn how to rewrite equations in slope-intercept form. So when you're given an equation of a line, sometimes it's not written as y equals. Sometimes it's going to look something like this, where the x and the y are both on the same side of the equal sign, and we want to rewrite it so that it looks like slope-intercept form. Remember, slope-intercept form looks like y equals mx plus b. So we want to get that y by itself and have everything else on the other side of the equal sign. So the steps for this are going to be more or less the same every single time. So step one is always going to be to add or subtract the x term. So in this first problem, that entire term is this 2x here. Because 2x is positive, the way to do that is going to be to subtract 2x from both sides. On the left-hand side, those are going to cancel out, and I'm going to be left with 5y equals, we're going to write our x term first, negative 2x, and then plus 10. And the reason I want to write that term first is because mx comes first in my slope-intercept form. All right, second step to get y by itself. I still got this 5 here, and I have to get rid of that. So I'm going to divide all of my terms by the coefficient of y. And hopefully we remember coefficient here just means that it's the number that's attached to y. So I'm going to divide each individual term by 5. It's important that you remember that it's every single one of them. So my 5s are going to cancel here. Now I'm going to have y equals, which is what I needed. I cannot divide negative 2 divided by 5, so I'm actually going to go ahead and write that as a fraction, negative 2/5 x plus, I can divide 10 divided by 5, and that's going to give me 2, and that is going to be my equation of this line written in slope-intercept form. So we went from 2x plus 5y equals 10 to y equals negative 2/5 x plus 2. These are the exact same line, just written two different ways. Now I can go back to this line, the y equals negative 2/5 x plus 2, and I can identify the slope and the y-intercept. The slope is negative 2/5 and the y-intercept is 2.